Top 100 digital marketing agencies. February 2022. Looking for top digital marketing company. Digital marketing is overtaking traditional marketing as social media platform and targeted ads make it possible to interact with specific audience in real time. In today's digital marketplace, customers not only expect a digital presence but also are more likely to trust a company with a digital footprint. A digital marketing company can take your business to the next level. That's why we've created this list of the best digital marketing agencies for you, so you to review, read through company descriptions, former clients, and notable projects to find the best fit for your business. And if you want a personalized uh, recommendations, tell us about your project. List of the best digital marketing company. Number one, sponsored power digital marketing. Secondary 4.9 G, quality 4.8, cost 4.7, NPS 4.9, 4.9, overall rating 47 reviews, real full reviews on clutch $1,000+, 15 monthly, 249 employees, San Diego, CA. Power Digital is a digital marketing agency based in San Diego with an office in New York. The agency, founded in 2012, has more than 300 employees and provides content marketing, email marketing, PPC, SEO, social media marketing, web design and PR services. Power Digital service mind market and other sized companies in the consumer products, services, advertising, marketing, business services, and retail industries. Client Tom's Dropbox, Band Meat, Air Band Industry. Notable project. Power Digital Marketing provides a skin care brand with influencer marketing services after developing strategies for campaigns. They negotiate with and recruit influencer on influencer on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Power Digital also detail oriented and feels like an extension of our team. Visit site. Number two, sponsored ignite visibility scheduling for 9G, quality 4.8, cost 4.7, NPS 4.9, overall rating 4.8, overall rating 99 reviews. Read full reviews on Ledge. So has a $10,000 plus 50 monthly 2 for